Good morning, good morning. It is bright and early. It's like 5 something, and I'm up prepping my ham. I just did my sweet potato pies. Those are in the oven. And I was thinking about wanting macaroni and cheese. I did a dressing. I gotta put that in the oven later. And I did a little pot of yams, and I'm gonna be getting ready to boil my macaronis, and I'm getting ready to also clean out this sink real good so I can put my turnip greens in there. And we decided to go turnip because they didn't have collards, and then they did later. But anywho, I'm about to make my glaze and everything and put it in here and have that ready so that way this bad boy can go in the oven. And yeah, that's our dinner for today. I hope you guys are gonna have an awesome day with family. But yeah, this is what we're having. And then I'm making some cornbread. So cornbread, yams, dressing, mac, the normal, and some sweet potato pies. I did not mean for my camera to be this way. Listening to some Christmas music, and once I finish the noodles, and the pies come out, I'm probably just gonna relax. I got a load of clothes that I gotta fold that I took out. I've been up early, and I got a load of clothes to take out the dryer. So that'll be 3 loads I gotta fold, and then I got my delicates that I need to wash. So yeah, that's what my morning like. And I'll just be relaxing so that way I don't have to rush. All my dinner is done. Basically, after I boil these noodles and prep this ham, only thing I gotta worry about is me and Think about gonna clean the greens together and cut them up. And that's it. So later, y'all. Have a great day. And I will see you guys in the next video. Talk to me in the comments. I'll talk back.